What if I told you there's a simple grammar trick that can make you sound instantly more formal, more dramatic, and honestly, more impressive in English? Well, there is, and we're about to master it together.
Never have I heard a weaker excuse. I mean, doesn't that just sound powerful? That's inversion, and that power, that secret weapon, is something you can learn to use today. This isn't just about boring old grammar rules. This is about learning to make an impact. So, how do we actually do it? Forget about memorizing 100 different rules. Seriously, all you need is one simple, powerful idea. I like to call it grammar yoga.
Just think about it for a second. A normal sentence is kind of like you're just standing straight. It's fine, it works. But inversion, that's like striking a powerful, flexible yoga pose. You're flipping the normal order of your words to put stress and emphasis in a completely new place. It grabs people's attention instantly.
Look at this. The normal pose is simple. Subject, then verb. I have never. But watch what happens when we do the yoga pose. We flip it. The helping verb jumps right to the front. Never have I. See that? It's the same words, but suddenly it's intense, it's dramatic, it's powerful.
Okay, so now you know the move. But when do you actually use it? This is not just for formal essays, trust me. This is your tool for creating a real Hollywood moment. I want you to picture this, a tense courtroom drama. The lawyer is pointing dramatically at the defendant. The music is getting louder. You need language that matches that intensity, right? Simple everyday sentences just aren't going to cut it. You need something with impact. And boom, not only did he fail, that's the power of inversion. It's dramatic, it's formal, and it is unforgettable. That is the kind of line that makes an audience lean in and really listen. The main takeaway here, use inversion when the stakes are high and you need your words to land with maximum force.
You see it all the time in powerful speeches, in formal reports, and in really gripping stories. It works perfectly with negative time words like never, rarely, or seldom. And it's even used to create some really sophisticated conditional sentences, without even using the word if. But, with great power comes great responsibility. I'm about to show you the #1 mistake, the one that trips up even advanced learners. This, my friends, is the big inversion trap.
So imagine you're just hanging out with your friends, trying to decide what to eat. You want to say you don't eat pizza that often. Is this the right way to say it? Just think about it for a second.
No, absolutely not. Please do not do this. If you remember one thing from this whole explainer, let it be this.
Honestly, this is the best way to think about it. A tuxedo is amazing, right? It's perfect for a formal wedding or some fancy event. But if you wore it to grab a slice of pizza with a friend, you're just going to look a little strange. Inversion is your grammatical tuxedo. Use it for the right formal occasion and you will look brilliant. Use it in casual conversation and it just sounds unnatural.
All right, you know the theory and you know the trap to avoid. Now it's time to put your skills to the test. Let's see if you can pull off these advanced moves. You ready?
Okay, first one up. What's the missing word here? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The answer is did. So after a phrase like not until at the beginning of a sentence, the main clause that follows takes the question form. We don't say I noticed, we say did I notice? Well done! Okay, on to quiz number 2. This one is about 2 past events that happen one right after the other. What goes in the blank? 3, 2, 1.
The answer is had. You see, the phrase no sooner is a classic partner for the past perfect tense. No sooner had I reached, it's just a really elegant way to connect 2 quick events in the past. All right, last one. Now this is a very formal structure, so pay attention. How would you start this conditional sentence without using the word if? You've got this. 3, 2, 1. And the answer is were. This is such a sophisticated way to say if they were to escape. It's formal, it's powerful, and it shows you have a real command of the English language. Fantastic job. You've learned the move, you've avoided the trap, and you've absolutely aced the test. So now it's your turn to be the scriptwriter. I want to see your best, your most dramatic Hollywood movie line using inversion. Write it down in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one.